Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm gonna show you an Italian inspired dish. This is a super simple, healthy and delicious recipe and it's roasted peppers with tomatoes. So let's get started. For our roasted pepper and tomato salad we will need the following: 1 yellow red bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 4 plum tomatoes, make sure to be ripe, 4 slices of sun-dried tomatoes, 15 mils of capers, 15 grams of pine nuts, 1 clove of garlic, salt and pepper to taste. And for our dressing we will need 75 mils of olive oil, 50 mils of balsamic vinegar, a bunch of fresh herbs, I have here parsley, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. First thing for this recipe, we have to fry the peppers. So I'm going to slice them in quarters to remove the seeds and the core, and I will fry them until they'll be like charred. On a medium heat in a pan, we place all our peppers and we will fry them until they'll have this char on them. So after about 6-7 minutes, the peppers look like this. This is perfect. I'll transfer them into a bowl and I'll cover them with a plate and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, our peppers are frying. I'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. I'll start with the sun-dried tomatoes. Just slice them in slices. So, after 20 minutes of resting, our peppers are ready to remove the skin. So just remove the skin from the peppers and slice them. So this is the peeled peppers. I will slice them and start assembling our salad. So we are ready to assemble the salad. Assembling the salad, it's a very easy process. We will just line up nicely all the ingredients and we will top with the dressing after that at the end. This was my recipe of roasted pepper tomato salad. This is perfect for parties or for yourself, and this salad gets better even if you leave it for a few hours because it will absorb all the juices inside and it's going to taste amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday healthy and interesting and quick recipes. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment box below. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.